body civil society की organization मैम पुनः मने कोई बयान बता on behalf of the government of Manipur or on my behalf, for the full cooperation, for the support, even Garanuta, okay, for the lovely debate initiative, and very appreciative of it. The Honorable Minister Hawko is coming with me now. Dipudamai, the Chairman of the Labour Committee and Council Member of this particular agency. Aduga Divya Prakash Shukla, Deputy Director, FCI, and his other officials, Deputy Commissioner, Assam Rifles ka CEO and his senior colleagues, State Police ki Officer Singh, CRPF ki और CISF की लेकर सेक्रेटरी प्रोस्पेक्ट नंबर रेलवे के ऑफिशियल्स मैं पूरा कोई स्वागत करता हूँ. Really, I appreciate the initiative taken by the FCI and the railways. And first of all, I would like to appreciate and congratulate our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. It is a long due dream of the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. He was willing to reach the railway connectivity and empower this service. But due to some unavoidable condition, like landslide, one big landslide was taken place, and at Tupur, near Tupur, I think. What is the name of the village? Bakwa. And unfortunately, we lost the precious life of around 100. And because of that, the progress of the railway projects is delayed little bit. But keeping aside everything, Honorable Prime Minister Modi has signed this particular idea. This is the third time. But for the food grains, rice, it is the first time. Earlier we have already got two essential commodities items 2 times. And this is the first of the rice, food grains, and the third time reaching here the essential commodities. ये सब भारत के प्रधानमंत्री का जो कमिटमेंट इसको फुलफिल करने के लिए अपने देश का, FCI का, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस का, Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF, रात दिन काम कर रहा है, taking their life risks for us, for people who speak. When the city see the BSF become Assam Rifles become Central Paramilitary Forces, and the State Police, I appreciate from the bottom of the heart. Without you, we have seen the present prevailing situation. It's very complex. But now, with the help of the people, with the help of the security personnel, normalcy is returning slowly. And we are trying to go to make a peaceful state as before. And one of the happiest things today I have seen that my people, my brothers, has come out openly to walk in the railway station. And as labor की प्राइड पे, thus we want to walk working. Hyper point the careers my own. Shooting I thought we had lost the work culture, but now today I have said we have the work culture. Many youths are coming forward. तो इसलिए we have discussed कि यहाँ पे आज कोई कुछ गोडाउन रखे कि रेलवे के जो बॉगी में आए हैं उसको शिफ्ट करके गोडाउन में रखें और ट्रक आने के बाद में ट्रक में लोड करके फिर भेजें। तो आने it was unloaded at Gini, 220 kilometers from the north, but now just we're unloading here, only 100 kilometers from Imphal. So Srigi Imphal yo bodi nahi, Srigi Imphal yo bodi nahi. So sad way ado bodi. San was saying how Lion Comedy is Honorable Minister Ongmo has mentioned. And koi Hatara Padi ke phone in the book to focus. See the works in that. The government is trying not to have any kind of shortage of food grains, essential commodities, oil, gas. So all we are successfully rendering service to the people of the state due to the cooperation from the FCI, cooperation and the support from the security personnel, the cooperation and the hard work of the railways employees, and the commitment and the conviction of the central government leaders. Aduna, the leadership, the Santi, the youth may have I have scheduled cooperation yesterday evening. I contacted to some of the leaders, civil society organizations. They are very helpful. They are very cooperating with the state government, security forces, and doing everything, joining hand to hand. Yang Dubai, extensive, scientific research, कोई लाखों की हम लोग कॉपी रखेगा, और सब लोग भी still in option, relationship, the honorable member, elected members in a all books look very good success and thank God also. Rainy season today God has a shining day today. We love the other programs in the Thank you all. सब लोग FCI की officials, रेलवे का official, असम राय पुलिस का, BSF का, CRPF का, स्टेट पुलिस फोर्स और विलेज अथॉरिटी सब को हम स्वागत करता हूँ और सलाम भी करता हूँ। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।